Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. In this video, we are going to teach you how to replace an exhaust fan motor. If you notice that it has stopped working or doesn't work as well as it used to, it's probably time to replace the motor. A good test for an exhaust fan is to take a piece of toilet paper and hold it up to the fan. If it sucks up towards the fan, then you're okay. If it doesn't, then we need to either replace the whole fan or just change out the motor. The first thing you want to do is take off the cover. You take these off the same way you would a recessed can trim. Just pull it down and squeeze the two brackets together. Now you can get a good look up in there. It might be a little dusty. You can try to take it out and clean it up to see if that gives it better airflow. But if it doesn't, then you will need to replace it. Most fans have a model number on there that you can look up online and order a new motor for. Sometimes you will find a similar enough model at your local supply store and use that in its place. You just want to measure the opening and make sure it will fit in the box. Another thing to look for is the hole in the bracket where you plug the cord into the outlet. Sometimes they are in the corner and sometimes they are in the middle. If you find one the same size but not the same hole alignment, then you can fabricate your own hole in the metal. These fan brackets are held in by little tabs that stick out of the bracket and into the housing. To remove it, you need to pry it out with a flathead screwdriver. Once you get one side, you should be able to just pull it down. The new one goes in the same way. If you are doing a little fabricating with a motor that isn't exactly the same model, the tabs on the bracket may not match up with the holes in the housing. If that's the case, just push the bracket up there. It should hold because those tabs make the bracket bigger than the housing. It should be nice and snug. But you don't want this to ever fall down. What you do is take a little self-tapper screw and screw it into the metal housing so that it will never fall down. Then just plug it in and put the cover back on. Schedule a virtual electrician at thevirtualelectrician.com if you need more help. Subscribe to my page and I'll send you a link where you can access 150 more videos.